Hello my fellow developers. We are going to do a little bit of searching in today's episode. But this time we will use only regular expressions. The search method searches a string for a specified value and returns the position of the match. The search value can be a string or a regular expression. If string is provided as an input parameter, it will be automatically converted to a regular expression. The method returns -1 if no match is found. Let's try some simple basic scenarios in example number 1. The first case is a simple string as an input parameter. First occurrence of the blue string is at position 51. The next case is literally the same thing, but we do not let JavaScript do the conversion to regexp internally, but we directly provide the regexp ourselves. The third case is finding without case sensitivity, which leads to the first word of the sentence to be found at position 0. The last case covers situations when a searched string or regexp is not present. We get -1. It might be an over-exaggeration, but there are a ton of methods in string that can do virtually the same. But there are minor differences and different limitations to each of them. Let's see a comparison of methods that are somehow similar to search, and let's compare them to each other. There are other methods that can get you the same information as the search method. That is the position of the first occurrence of the match in the searched string. 3 of these methods belong to string object. 1 belongs to the regexp object, but we already mentioned it before. Let's look at them one by one. The exec method belongs to the regexp object, but we already covered it with match and match all methods. It can provide us with the index of the match as an extra property in the array of matches. The method that is probably the closest to our search method is the indexOf method. It also outputs only the index of the match, but unfortunately it cannot work with regular expressions. Both match and match all methods can get us the same information as an extra property of an array with matches. The limitation is that if we use the global flag with match, we only get the matches without additional information. Limitation of the match all is that it requires a global flag and therefore finds more than we might need. With the correct setup, we can get the same result with any of these 5 methods, but each of them is suited best for different scenarios, and we as developers should honor that and always try to use the best tool for the job. But if we don't, it's not going to be the end of the world. As I always say, let's first make it work, then we make it nice. So, that's it for the search method. It was once again one of the rather simple and straightforward methods. At least when we consider all the crazy stuff we had to deal with before. As always, thanks for the attention, and I will see you with the next method soon.